people think say me just carry the talk. I never do live video before. Say maybe I can't talk. Wait till I see and wait till I know. See my live video when I they talk, they do when I know am. Either I dey my house, I dey do live video, they enjoy myself, they dance. I never do live video one day say make I can't talk against anybody. But the problem when make me can't talk this matter. This woman, this choose wife, she dey cry. Say he with the husband never divorce. Even when me they go that church, people will know that time when I go bear me witness. When I dey go that church that time, when this issue of Joy and the pastor the apple, me myself I carry Ubeba go that church say make I go beat this girl. Till today, now I make that man carry me as his worst enemy. This man no they talk to me again. Carry me like I be worst enemy for life. And this the worst part. This man go carry Bible. They on top of altar. They swear. They swear. But today, what's happen? Some idiots they talk say, sit down one way. Yours they talk. You can't like video they talk. What of fine? They like video they talk. What of woman where you marry? Woman where you marry? Now you this virgin. The woman where you marry. Woman where you marry. Now you this virgin. You they come they talk to me. They write nonsense for comment for me. The woman where you with and they or who born for you. Now you this virgin. Now you this virgin. Elvis Chidi. Now you this virgin the woman. Idiot, you come my page, come they talk nonsense. They talk nonsense. Your woman where you marry, or whether you don't marry or you never marry, whether you not get what you don't first do before. I been now Ogun they kill your generation. Ogun they kill your generation. Me I don't tell you, me go put you for prison. As far as I don't get your picture, me go put you for prison. Elvis Chidi, now you are they talk to. I go give your picture to Ogbalibe. You know what you do? You know say your hands no clean. You can't talk to me anyhow. I want tell you say I there among people with the cowards. I go coward you. I go use you give example. You dey craze. You can't write nonsense for my page. You can't write nonsense for my page. They speak nonsense to me. You dey mad? I be your mama. I be your mama where you can't write nonsense. Give me. You dey craze. Now your mama you they talk to like that. If your sense no correct, you know go find people where go put sense for you. You can't write nonsense for my page. They comment nonsense. So you there among people where they support evil. You they support evil. Get collect person husband. You they support evil. You they say what of me where they there. I collect person husband. I collect person husband Elvis. I collect person husband. Now man when muta follow enter from all the way from Nigeria. Now muta still dey up to now. I be no good they kill your generation. I collect person husband. I look like your woman where they collect people husband up and down. Elvis, you no fear. You come my page. You can't they talk nonsense. So you they support what Joy do. You they support am. This one they sleep. Come and lie down here. You they support wetin that pastor do. Then you can't write nonsense on my page. You know why you not watch Mama Bonyo? You know yeah when your wife they cry for there. I be the video when I do now I lie for there. Mama Boyin video when she do that yesterday. You know yeah when choose wife they cry. The things when me talk even before Mama Boyin enter live video. Not be waiting your wife can't still talk. I be just carry con talk. We all now women. We know as they pain. Not be woman where don't suffer follow man for many years. After 3 children. They want it Dare. Say because he sabi dance koso for bed, can't go collect person husband. Even though they want do am, you do am secret. Not that you can't go carry belle, even force the man may go marry you.
Internet is okay.
Elvis, I dey warn you today, Elvis Chidi. I dey warn you today. I'm warning you. Let today be the first and last. You will comment nonsense on my page. If I dey do anything like video, if you don't like it, get out there. Even see my video, may you pass. Don't come to my video and be making they make useless comments for my video. Don't ever try it again. All those comments where you throw for me, now your mama, your generation, now you go. You no go receive sense if you no get sense. Go and receive sense if you no get sense. Now you they sell drug. Now you they come they talk to me anyhow. If I not put you for prison, you no say no be me. If me no gawad you, Elvis, you go not say no be my maybe they talking. I must gawad you. Including all those ones where they for back, they talk nonsense. I know all of now where they do the same thing. I go gawad and I go for Facebook, they pick on a picture one by one. Now me una one you stay do yeah. You they come they talk say what of my maybe you they craze? You they craze? Now your papa now they marry. Now your papa now me born for Elvis. You no fear, you they comment nonsense. Now Mumu the boy be. Now Mumu, you know your fear, you can't they comment nonsense for my page. You wear your hands no clean, your hand no clean. Now one touch, if I carry your picture, give police. They will just tell them that they follow you. Give me within 1 month if they no carry you. You they crazy. They say you with police now friends. Your mates not be they do a palazzo. Not be your mates they do palazzo. Yes, police is your friend and you will be there. You will go there, Elvis. Now me they tell you this word today. You go there. You must go there. You know fear you can't write nonsense on my page. Another small girl collects person husband, even get belle for her. You dey clap and put say the man and your brother. When me go they talk like that? Your brother, so you they support evil. You they support evil. You see all these women where una I know they see people husbands. Whether the man don't marry the person or he never marry, as far as say they date together. Una I know they see people husbands. Una I know they see people husband. Una go if una just see people husband na there now una want enter. Una go over the first the man make the man marry una. Are you mad? Make him marry una leave the wife. Make the man come marry una leave the wife. Una never say okay. Make una have play game with the man leave am. Una dey force the man make him marry una. Make him leave his own wife. We don't suffer with her. Some of our guests una mumusha, una mumuri ripe. You never even do the game. Say if you do and finish, you go clean mats. Not beside the advice, say even follow married man. You even come even dey boldly. Now make they call you mommy joy. I haven't make mistake. I've often tag the idiots. I've tag them for this video one they do. When everybody dey against this girl that time, even meeting today, this pastor no they talk to me. This pastor carry me for belle because of that thing when me one can't do. He carry me for belle, no they talk to me. Now when me and they talk, this pastor no they talk to me. This is almost 2 years now. Yes, 2 years. This man no they talk to me because I be one beat that girl for that nonsense when he do. Today the whole course when he course now, no be happen to them. Now see it your service mumu. Mumu will never wash bossa finish. When they say if you even put bossa here now shit, now they follow a bossas. He never wash body well. If they can't they talk to me anyhow. See Elvis. Now you they talk. You when me go put for problem tomorrow. I do live video, yes. I do one because I therefore choose wife side. Because all of us now women, if they do one to us, it go pain us. If they do one to us, it go pain us. Not the woman where you don't, where we say you don't say you don't suffer with this man. Now we come be say things come better. Then the man come push you. And why the man push you now? Because of one idiot. My people more what they think how. No be life. They still can't go they carry my name waka say even the prophets say me with an oh my God prophets where they even fear me. Say even the prophets prophets don't still follow me. Now God now let me see now go follow all of una way they talk that thing for my back. Now God go punish you now. Problem upon problem when una can never solve. Now go there into your home. If you are a married man and you are well married, you they lie for my head. They talk lie for about me. Problem where go there your home. You no go fit solve am. You go they look for help. You no go come. Me where they even fight. Say this thing where choose they do. It no good at all. When secretary happen, I still know. I know about secretary. I supposed to tag that idiot. I know not supposed to tag that idiot. I supposed to tag him. I don't already start this thing. How to tag that idiot now? I go later if I do this live video finish. Me go share and put for a page. And they fight. Then they say this thing where this man they do is no good. They say Mama Bube you too stubborn, Mama Bube you be this, Mama Bube you be this. Yes, because I be woman. If they do to me, no go, I no go like her. If they do to me, I no go like her. Woman fit they follow person husband though. Say make you come tell me the same make that man come marry you. They make you come abandon woman when we don't suffer for long. My dear, na lie. We go pull leg for anywhere. Na lie. We go pull leg. Anyhow we want be, go be. We go pull leg in anywhere. As soon as they support evil. Tuesday night they threaten people. They go make it call me. I do live video yesterday now. Make choose write me. Make it call me. Now people when you know they fear now they go the right. Make choose call me. Make it call me. Make it call me. How many times you know how many times I don't see secretary? Secretary is secretary for a church. You know how many times I don't see her for choosers. You know how many nights if I they come back for club. You know how many times when I they see secretary they come out for choosers. If I they come back for club. Not be everything person go they talk, but I thank God everything where they hide, it don't come out. Every time they talk nonsense about me. I'm not the chop something they hide. You hear me? If I they do my work, they do and come out. Idiot Elvis, you they hear me? I'm not they do something hide. They tell me say what of my own, this, that. Una not see what they choose do me there for my own. I hide, huh? You come here, you can't they talk nonsense. No let choose now they sleep with married women where don't marry, where they don't put ring for their hand. They live with their husband though. Choose go they sleep with them. They sleep with them. Even go scatter people marriage. Una say na better thing. Una they support. Una say na better. Una say na better thing. Live video. Make the choose. Make it call me. Make it call me. If you are watching my video, if you not like what I do, you go come out. Not come here next time. Elvis, come they write nonsense comment for me. Because not be your papa night they sleep with me. You dey hear me, Elvis. Not be your papa. Even your papa never wash Shekia well. Make I tell you today, Elvis. Your father, he never wash Shekia well. Even you know where they comment nonsense on my page. Elvis, where you then remove your bossa. If shit, they know they see shit for your bossa. That's a pig like you. You can't they tell me nonsense. Now Mumu joy, Mama Princess. Now Mumu boy. You will never feel wash boxers. You they tell me say when you come they talk for live video. Whether me no say the choose now your brother, you dey mad? I invite you come my live video. You can't look for my trouble. I invite you come my live video. I do that live video because of that innocent woman, because she dey inside pain now. She dey receive pain. Then you can't call, they tell me say na your brother. Now your brother, more with the clap hand for her now. Say what he do good. Me with the clap hand for her. You dey tell me, ask me whether I get husband, Elvis. You dey ask me whether me mama dey get husband. I no get husband. The children when I born na heaven from. I be no good dey kill your generation, Elvis. The children when me born na heaven, na they your for. No be man sleep with me before I born the children. Na heaven the children for. You dey ask me whether me get husband. You dey mad self Elvis. I go use you to give example, You don't put hand for my teeth and I go bite hand. The children when I born, they fall from heaven. See Elvis wey be mumu. Mumu wey never fit wash boxers. Come they talk to me and I say what of me? What of me? You can't see they talk say what of me? Yes, so Queen, they support bad thing. The guy they write me the comment when me respond to right, they tell me say choose my brother. The reason why I do that, why me go come they talk say why me go they insult choose like that. I know insult choose. I know insult Sam. I always say that thing when it they hide, it don't open. I know insult choose. I can't do live video say make una not believe what they choose they talk. Oh. Those things where they can't they talk for church or they talk anywhere. He just they use that to spoil his wife name. Choose no divorce his wife. He ask when choose for marry his wife. Now there his wife still there. Now there his wife still there. The wife they there with 3 children. His wife never go outside one day say make he can't go follow man or say choose can't catch am with man when they go say maybe na make am, because according to Bible now when you catch your wife with a man in the house, you are entitled to leave your wife. You are entitled to divorce that woman. Not be you and your wife una no quarrel, nothing. You just go carry Joy because of say Joy is sabi somersault for you. You can't go carry and say na Joy be the ultimate. Men with they say as that on a marriage go take waka. More with they say as he go take end. Men with they say as he go take waka. When they say me come they talk for live video. Everything when they talk I dey hear am. Me come live video come they talk. Not be your data I dey use. Not be your Wi-Fi I dey use. I dey pay. I use them and no use them. Go every month. If month end, I will still pay for it. So when they come, they tear your pants. Elvis, when they tear your trouser. Why you go come my page? You come they talk nonsense. So you they support choose for what he do. You they support her. If that belle no happen, then if I go marry Joy, now because of say that belle happen, I make a rush go marry Joy. You know how many belle way that Joy don't spoil for choose. This one I don't hang up for neck. Yes, so we die here. Me, I be no one just come today again because I don't do the one I want to do yesterday. And where I come for day happy be say choose wife day life yesterday with Mama Bonnie. People wey follow that page, una hear everything about that woman. The way she was crying, she dey talk in mind. How her husband dey maltreat am. Now Elvis go come dey talk nonsense. All of us we be woman. E get something wey be say if our man dey do, e dey pain us. We be woman, more we tell ourselves the truth. E get some certain things wey be say our man wey we even born for, wey they do, e dey pain. Only wetin me dey against be say you can never suffer with a man from when the man na zero. You can't suffer with and the man can't become something. The one girl wey be say because of say if they get one kind of human hair wey reach nyash, if they rub the highest cream, now she be the Queen Elizabeth for this Europe. Then you go can't use that beauty. Can't say they collect your man. My dear, if now some men wey get sense, my sister give that man bekus 100 times. If that man no be your own, he no be your own. And some men wey still carry upstairs, they go they sleep with you, they useless you. At the end, they no go marry you. At the end, they no go marry you. Now still that person wey dey their mind, now they go marry. This is for the men wey get sense. So if you like born for that man, if you like born dressing for that man, if you like your leg make one day London, make one day Abuja, no share niente. Now the best way that man still get mind when he marry, now he go marry. But for this joy home, it's not ordinary hand. A prophet for that matter, not the ordinary hand, and they never even divorce his wife. You understand? No matter what, we all are women, no matter what. Now cloth, now cover many things for our body. More would they talk the truth. More forget say sly queen, we they do sly queen. Cloth, it cover many things. Just that with the beer, with the swallow spits. But who see the truth, make it talk on. Nobody will never go pain of a man before. Nobody. We women they now where they watch me. Nobody will never go pain before. Nobody will not get past life before. Nobody will not get past life, and nobody will not receive pain before. How person go y'all come in for phone? They say why me enter live video? I have my what of about my own? Oh, good they kill you. You they craze. Say my fellow woman just did they cry. You with your husband not even divorce. Nothing. Another woman can't get belly. The man said can't go wear exam, do everything. Why your wife? He still put the wife for her so. Then the person go come, they tell me nonsense. May God punish you every I go reuse you give example. I go use you give example. You no fear, you they talk nonsense for my page. Yes, so. Yes, so. Elvis, if you know my story, oh. Yabi, you know my story. But me, Mama Pube, can never leave my man for one useless or bastard girl, no matter what. If you claim say you know my story, I'm not gonna leave my man for one bastard girl out there. It's not possible. Anywhere we go pull leg. You dey craze where you can't they talk nonsense, they comment nonsense on my page. May we clap hand for you because if choose now your brother, the more would they give a hand. May we they give a hand. May we they give a hand. Say wetin him do good. My sister, sometimes I'll say my no call and prophet. The thing go enter my mouth. Not be prophet, now pastor me they call am because if una watch my people, these choose make una not I don't know whether una know they notice what I they notice. Now make this man no they talk to me now because he know say me. I be one woman where they say I dey quick capiche something. Before when this man they always they preach for altar. If they use Ewele as the papa, my papa, my papa, my papa, my papa, my papa, my papa. But today this man they use Ewele do papa again. He know they talk papa again because he know say don't shit for church, for top of altar. He don't go pull hand for where he not supposed to pull hand. And I not say everybody, I know they talk all members because tomorrow they go say my maybe they insult them. Not be for all members, for the some where they think say this man hands clean. I pity una. For una where they say that man hands clean, say na real pastor. I pity una. I pity where una don't see real pastor. Wife when he marry, he with her, they no quarrel. They never go exchange word one day. Say maybe they quarrel. No, my husband and wife, they as husband and wife take the quarrel for us. They no quarrel before this issue happen. Choose just by bring quarrel. He just by bring all those many talk so that make una for hate that woman for Nigeria. That woman is an innocent woman. Now this thing me talk yesterday when one idiot come they tell me nonsense. I be not one come today come do live video. Any live video one as I they do. Either I dey just the popori myself I dey dance. One idiot come they talk nonsense. Say they choose my brother. So now your brother you dey support as they sleep with married women up and down your brother. So now so another man for this thing go they sleep with your mother Elvis. Now me talk and message me for my messenger. Now so another man go they sleep with your mama. You are a bastard Elvis. You be bastard. Now so another man go they sleep with your mama Elvis. So you they clap hand as if they sleep with people. Secretary, is he not a married woman? Secretary not be married woman. Secretary not be married woman. He at the worst part that his husband said no even know say such thing they happen. But today now the woman no want make his husband even quit divorce her. Now the woman now carry divorce paper. The secretary carry divorce paper go give his husband. Just imagine how church. Now so church take the function. Una make church tire person. Una make church tire person. That is why as I did now, any day when me like I dey go church. Church, no be Igbo people call and say Iwu. No be by force say you must go church. There are a lot of people where even they has where no they get go church. Their minds they far 100% good more than people where they full church. And all of the way you see say that they go church, they full church. No level. And now they still do bad pass. Those people where they sit down for church, now they still they do bad pass. Now they gossip people, and other people family go just there. Now they go they spoil people family, they waka. But the ones where yours they has where no they even go church at all. They go say that one no they go. Now they even better pass. Now they better pass. Now back to they go church every Sunday. They choose where they do what did they call them? Tuesday service, Sunday. Ah no. This man shortalize everybody. No prayer points where this man no they bring. Even me that period, I still they follow for the prayer point. So I'm not gonna lie my own. And they follow for the prayer point. Go say anybody where they use the name waka, where they lie against him with joy, he go say make their leg bend. This man go say make their leg bend. Me we can't still be mumu. I can't still follow the prayer. I can't they pray. I will they bend my leg. I they pray the prayer. I go they bend my leg. They say so shall it be. Now so their leg go bend. I they follow they pray the prayer. I don't know say everything can become fat. Say not true. Say this man lie. This man they lie.
What is this one, right? She even complained Joy as connected to serve a master from her.
Joy start that church. You not go know the joy. If I'm you know the joy. You don't come out before the joy come. You don't come out before. Yes, so my sister Hope. Not be bad to they go church. This man go they lay different bring different prayer points. The one where they scatter my head, this man go they swear. If you see swear where this man they swear for altar. And I go think say as this man they swear now and I say in the now say it might just be. If you see swear where this man they swear. He reach one period, people where they watch me where they go to church, una know that time. He reach one period, I know they even if they do this Holy Communion, I know they take again. I know can't go they take Holy Communion. If they pray for people, they lay hands and no come they come out. He can't reach one period. They say make I come and say the man need to pray for me because of the way me they do all those things. That as that time I get belly of my daughter, whether na princess or miracle. Say make they pray for me, make me follow, make my enemy. I be no one go now, so they push me, make I go. They push me, make I go. Because my spirit no accept this man. My spirit no accept him. Muta na cat and rats. I don't know why. Muta na cat and rats. People where they talk say me too with choose. Choose no say I know all in yash. Everything about choose, I know it. That is why this man they keep me as enemy. Since today when me and una they talk. Now they can carry me as an enemy. For when choose they operate that church for back of train station that time. Now that time me start that church. The whole entire way enter Padova that time. Now my house no be close to a church. Now me no waiting there. Now me no waiting I they see. Now me no waiting there. Now me no waiting I they see. Do you know how many guests when choose sleep for that church for back of train station? He died them. Choose not fit talk to me. Choose not fit talk to me. Not fit open my mouth. They say one approach me. He they mad. I can't they sleep with pastor. He they mad because he knows say me know everything where they happen. He know. Not be say they can't tell me. I they see choose with woman. Make una answer choose. Make una answer. That time who will choose where they say party will be party because why he can't make he knows that they know I see everything. I even call her one-on-one say, Pastor, all these things when they hear all these things, are they not true? Not true. See, I they hear say this one you don't, this one you don't. If they tell me say my sister, you know say if person don't do something, though they use them against her. Now past life, all those things. He said it. He tell me like that. Choose deny. Still get one woman where they, that time still you start that church. You get one woman where they come to see they say in they sleep with. I still ask this man. This man, what he tell me say my sister man forget. But that was then. Now long story made me forget. But last, it can't still be truth. If truth just say they don't catch him for something like this, you go see this man who come use. Oh, I know where they up their member said, Sha. You know if you use me, I make kind the best for me today. Make una believe what I dey tell una. That man no feel, you know feel use my head because he can't say me too stubborn. And if una watch, I bet it's done they do me. If una watch, you see all these women were stubborn, where they is stubborn. If they hard before you use their head, say you want use their head, they do evil. If they hard. Because the sister I dey against things when they do. Now I make that man know they talk to me. He see me as his worstest enemy. Choose see me as his worst enemy. Now people come, no, choose. I use God beg you. The people where you don't sleep with, choose, confess. The people where you don't sleep with, confess. May you confess for the people where you don't sleep with. Confess for the people where you don't sleep with. Which I even know the ones where you don't sleep with. The ones where me they see with my eye where they say if I they come back for club and they see as they take they come on for your house. And they see secretary. And the two where me just know where beside they sure where me they see they come on for your house for midnight. Which I can testify that. And they see secretary. And they see Joy. But that time you dey deny or you dey fight everybody say nothing dey happen. Today wetin come dey happen? And for Joy, let me tell you, Joy, because I believe say you go from another person Facebook they see my video. Joy, let me tell you, you think say na to carry person husband is the ultimate. You don't dey on top, you don't win. You don't push that wife out, you don't win. Man tell you today, Joy, you see that man where you collect bet me another person go still collect you. Another person go still collect you from him hand. Joy, let me tell you, if they sweet you now, if they sweet you now, as you take collect, remove that woman from your husband, now so another person go take remove you. You just dey life, you say na people husband, now you want just dey nyash up and down. People husband, now you just want the nyash up and down. People husband. The one wey come still pay me pass, they say even me, say choose don't still sleep with me, even me, Mama Ebube. Choose don't sleep with me, now me dey face am for live video. If you want, people wey don't even sleep with, many of them, they know they even comment. Many of them, they watch my video, they know they talk because they know say their nyash don't open. Because I know everything about them. That is why they don't want to, they hide themselves.